How to draw on Instagram story pictures. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click to add a story. Create your story as you usually do. Here you want to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click Draw. Instagram here will give you a lot of choices to use. For example, you can choose the type of the pen or the brush that you want to use from the upper menu. You can adjust the thickness of the drawing tool from the lateral scale at the left. And you can choose the drawing color you want to use from the lower menu. Once you got it all figured out, go ahead and draw what you want. When you're done, click on the checkmark icon at the top right of the screen to save. From here, you will just continue to edit your story as you usually do so you can publish it when you're done. And that's it. That's how to draw on Instagram story pictures. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.